Have you ever noticed when you're searching for a flight, the website shows you that little Searching 500 Airlines progress bar at the bottom? That is called the labor illusion. They could show you the results instantly, but they make you wait because it actually builds trust. It makes you think that they are searching 500 different airlines to make sure that you get the best price. We're kind of conditioned to think that if it didn't hurt or if it didn't take a long time, then it means that it's not necessarily trusted or isn't possibly high quality. So does this mean that we're literally addicted to the struggle? That's a little food for thought. If you liked this and want to hear more, check out my podcast, Lies We Bought.